Welcome to Overseas Professional Achiever Agency. Please kindly introduce yourself.
I'm Annalyn Baydon, ma'am, 33 years old, 5'2", 158 pounds. I'm single but I have one daughter. I have one brother and one sister. I'm in the middle of the family. I'm college graduate with the course of PSBA-MIS.
How can I call you, Miss?
My friend used to call me Ang.
How are you today?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Do you have any experience as domestic helper before?
Yes, ma'am. I have 2 years here in the Philippines.
For how many members of the family you serve?
They are 3, ma'am.
Are there how many children?
They have only one child, ma'am.
What are the ages?
1 year old.
Do you like to play with the children?
Yes, ma'am. I love to play with the children.
Can you sing a nursery rhyme?
Okay, ma'am. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Come and sing with, play with me. Now I know your ABC.
Can you sleep with the baby at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you operate household appliances? And
Yes,
what
ma'am.
are those?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to operate like vacuum cleaner, flat iron, oven toaster, and washing machine, ma'am.
What are your reason why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I like to earn money, ma'am, to help my family and for the future of my child.
What are the advantages of the employer if they will hire you?
I'm hardworking, ma'am, and I'm honest, and I'm willing to follow your rules.
If you luckily chosen to work in Hong Kong, how will you avoid homesickness?
I just enjoy my job here, ma'am, to take care of your children.
What will you do if the baby cries at night?
I carry her, ma'am, and I find what's the problem, if I need to give her milk or change her diaper, like that, ma'am.
Are you now prepared to work in the Chinese family?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your last message to your future employer?
Ma'am, please do choose me to your maid, and I do my best to follow your rules, ma'am. And I will finish my 2 years contract, ma'am.
Thank you very much and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.
Thank you, ma'am.